Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we have this Hermes Evelyne TPM unboxing. So I purchased this bag off of the Purse Forum. I'm a member of the Market Plaza there, and it's only for select members. You have to apply and they have to approve. So this is actually pre-owned, but the condition is brand new. So she sends the receipt, and she paid a total of $2,369. I believe that the new price for this bag is like $2,400 or something. I have to double check that. And this is the care booklet package. And so I couldn't pass up the price since it was brand new condition, so I bought it. Oh, and I wanted to show you guys one more thing about this box. So the way you can tell that it's an authentic one is you use like this black light. So I'm going to try to see if I can show you guys the horse and carriage print that is on here. Maybe hard, but you can kind of see it very faintly, like right there. Hard to tell because it's actually too sunny, but let me see if I can kind of zoom in a little bit more. It's tricky, but you can kind of make out a faint horse and carriage. Let's see if I can get a good shot. Sort of like right there. Do you see it? And kind of like right there, it kind of appears underneath the black light. Like right there. Yeah, there we go. So I think that's pretty cool. That's how you can tell that this box is an authentic Hermes box. So seeing that, I'm pretty confident that the bag is real, including the receipt. So that is very neat. Okay, that's it. Let's take a look. So Hermes is new to me. I don't have a bag from them prior to this. So this is the first time I'm taking a look. So it's an adjustable crossbody. It's got the silver palladium hardware. Strap feels very nice. Let's take a look at the stitching. Looks really nice. I mean, this is supposed to be the best of the best, right? So I'm expecting perfection because this is supposed to be brand new. All right, let's take a look here. Oh, even comes with the little ribbons. That's kind of cute. So this is a full set. Oh, very nice dust bag, by the way. It kind of feels like this herringbone, very high quality fabric. Here she is. So I am completely obsessed with the gold color. I think it's like the perfect brown. And it is really small. Like I knew this was going to be small, but this is extremely small. I mean, look at this. It's like my hand is small and it's like the size of my hand. But the leather feels incredible. It is really soft. Like I never used to get why people loved Hermes, but I think now I completely understand. But this is a thin leather, and you can see like how my fingers are going through this leather. So from what I can tell, you should not overstuff this bag at all, because then you'll get like it'll stretch out, it'll bag out, and you know, imprints will probably form. So you want to be really careful with this bag. So this is the front or the back. Apparently you're supposed to wear it like this way because it's a horse feeding bag, but I don't know. That's too much history for me at the moment. So there's one tiny little closure in the over here. It's a little snap. Very nice. Let's take a closer look. Hi Snoopy, you really want to be in this video again? Alright, so inside is lined in suede, so it's raw lining. It's very interesting how you can see like the holes, and my camera is acting really strangely. It doesn't know where to focus, so apologies for that. So that is it. Oh, I guess I can attach the strap here. Okay. I love the little snap there. So overall, I am impressed, not gonna lie. The leather is so soft and supple. I've never felt any kind of leather like this before. Like, this is really beautiful leather. All right, next week I'm going to have what fits in this bag, probably not very much, and I'll show some mod shots as well. So that is it. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time.